Welcome to AIStorimate training video series. In this video I am going to show you how to use Story Editor. Once you choose your desired story template, it will open in our exclusive editor. You can customize your video according your choice. You can see all the editing tools inside menu. You can upload files from your local by upload option. You can add text to your video. You can also change font style, font size, font color according to your choice. You can also search and use images according to your desired keyword and can use it to your video. You can also create high-quality AI-powered content by using AI content option. You can also add voiceover to your video if you want. But always add voiceover just before export your video, otherwise it will not add it to your slide. Get ready for a flavor explosion with our burgers. You can also add emoji, sticker or avatar to your video if you want. You can also set your per frame duration according to your choice. Click on export and your high-quality story is ready. Thanks for watching the video.